Hi, before even proceeding what I'm going to show, let's start Bioclipse from within Eclipse. So what I will here demonstrate is an experimental version of the Bioclipse based compute cluster client that I'm developing for UPPMAX. So here I filled in some connection details to UPPMAX and also a path to Galaxy tool configuration files, for which are files that define different command line tools that will later be used to generate a wizard, which I will demonstrate. So let's close this one, and the thing I see here to the left is my removed files over at UPPMAX. So I will actually delete these. So the main thing I wanted to demonstrate is the job configuration wizard, which configures batch jobs to be sent to the cluster to be run as jobs. So we start it from the button here in the job info view, and that fires up a wizard. So what the wizard now does is that it loads these definition files from the Galaxy Bioinformatics workbench. I showed you the path before to where the files are, and that is basically a lot of files defining the command line tools, and that will be used to generate the wizard. So let's choose a tool group and a tool. And now it has from the definition file, it has seen that these parameters need to be filled out for this command line tool. And it needs an input file, and that because of that we can get up a dialog to select one of my removed files. And it needs a pattern, then just a lot of options. So all of these options as well are available in the definition files. So basically what we do is that instead of manually writing a long command on the command line, we just select options in this kind of graphical user interface. And you can see that at the same time as we change things here, things are changing down in this resulting command text box. So let's select an output folder and an output file name as well. Output, like this, and let's go to the next page. So here on this second page I configure parameters to the cluster resource manager, which is Slurm in this case. And also here you can see how in this case the batch script is built up while we configure things. So the first things I can configure is the module to load, which is basically a Linux specific thing to set a lot of environment variables and things like that, and also the project that should be accounted for this job. And you can see how Bioclipse has figured out which module and version that is suitable for this tool, and also which project I'm a member of. And this it has done by talking to a special proxy script away at the UPPMAX cluster. And then we just specify some of these normal things, and we give a estimated time for the job, and we will be fine with 1 minute in this case. And we give a title. And of course you can see how the batch job is built up while we configure. And let's fire away the wizard, and what happens then is that a batch job script file is created in my home folder. So now we can actually open it in the internal text editor in Bioclipse and make any changes we want manually. And then when we want to start a job, we just submit as Slurm batch job from the right click menu. And we will of course hope to be able to monitor the job here in the job info view. see some details from Slurm. So that is what I had to show today. Thank you for watching.